Hello everyone. Yesterday I conducted a workshop on affiliate marketing automation. Seriously, in the workshop I showed step-by-step framework, a kind of blueprint I given to people who want to hit their first $1,000 online by using automation system. Seriously, it is one of the best workshop I've ever delivered to people who want to make money online. Wait. Now you might be thinking, okay, since you given the workshop, you conducted the workshop, you will tell it is super good, it is amazing. Okay, what if I show you a participant in my workshop given a genuine feedback? Just look at this. So this much huge amount of value and clarity I provided to people who joined the workshop. So here, if you not joined the workshop, no need to worry because I have recording of the workshop. So if you want to get the recording of the workshop, just go to my Instagram bio and you can get the recording over there. And one more thing, let me help you to hit your first $1,000 online by using automation. All the very best.